Hey everybody, this is Wakefield with another video, and what I want to get into today about is another fantastic way for all of y'all to make some easy money online. It's called inbox dollars. This thing has been around a long time. It's very credible. Uh, I've made good money with it. Also, when you sign up, which is signing up for free. You're going to get a $5 bonus after you confirm your email. Um, there's so many different ways you can earn on here. You can do offers, you can do surveys, you can watch TV, you can do games. And they got an easy cash link. You can watch videos and you can refer friends. On your first 5 referrals that you get, they're going to give you $1 bonus. And each referral, you're going to earn up to 30% of all your downline's earnings for life. And like I say, it's free to join. Inbox Dollar's been around since 2000. You have to earn $30 before you can cash out for the first time. And then it take about 10 to 16 days to process, and then about another week or two to go to the verification process. But that's only your very first payout. It won't take that long after that. You can either get paid through check. Um, they do merchant e-cards, and they do prepaid visas. I like to do the check. That's just me. Uh, but I remember when I was with Inbox Dollars a long time ago, they didn't have all the stuff they got now. You know, the TV and the Easy Cash link, and they got all kind of deals and it's just crazy. And like I say, it's free to join. They got all kind of offers. Uh, to me, they have better offers than they. That's even better. Not to say them offers weren't good, but I'm just saying the offers now that they got is even better. And like I say, it's free to sign up, and like I had said, it's been around since 2000. And if you hammer away at this site every day, especially for somebody who don't have any money and like really struggling, you can just go hard on this site every day and just watch your earnings just rack up by just going to these tabs and start earning some money. But you know, I can't say enough about inbox dollars. So, like I say, go ahead and sign up for free and get that $5 bonus and try to get to $30 and get your first payout. So I'm gonna put the link below, and I'm also gonna put a link to my blog so y'all can see all the other stuff I got going on. And make sure you subscribe to this channel. And y'all just have a good day. Sign up with Inbox Dollars and make some money. Peace.